Return unto me, and I will return unto you. And you've heard me talk about return. Return is the Hebrew word. It's much more than you return to me, I return. It's the word teshuvah. In all your being, come back to what I told you to do. So they say, wow, if we return to God, Almighty God, the God who brings water out of a rock, opens blind eyes, raises the dead, he will return to us. They said, how do we do it? And God gives a strange answer that unless you understand the Jewish roots of your faith, you miss it. He says, return to me and I'll return to you. They go, oh, that's amazing. How do I return? And he says, in tithes and offerings. He didn't say, quit doing this, quit doing, in tithes and in offerings. Why? The Jewish people, what opened the door for the Babylonians to take them into captivity was they started thinking, we're so prosperous, we're so wealthy, we're doing so good, our nation's doing so well, let's remove God from this. And they stopped paying their tithes and their offerings. Now listen to me, when we hear return to me and I'll return you tithes and offerings, we know what a tithe is, but the offering, as Gentiles, most Christians do not know what it means when God says offering. God says 3 times a year, you come before me and you don't come empty-handed. How many times? 3 times. Jesus said 30, 60, 100, or unlimited blessing. The open windows of heaven is not limited to finances, but it does include finances.